Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here. And currently, what we have on the weekly time frame is a bearish shooting star sweeping these monthly highs over here. So if we go up to the monthly time frame, you see how this over here was our monthly high, and this over here was a monthly high, but this is two monthly highs. So this would be our equal high buy side liquidity. Okay, so we not only swept those monthly highs, but we printed a bearish shooting star right off of it, right? So we swept the highs with the wick, and now we're printing a bearish shooting star. Now we may come up to fill in the wick a little. It may come up to fill in the wick, but eventually I do see a move back down towards the 200-day SMA. Okay, now with a candle like this, right, sweeping such important levels over here, you're likely to see a retrace, but before you see that retrace, you may see some manipulation upwards towards the wicks, towards the fibs to fill in this wick over here before coming back down. Okay, the first point of interest would be sitting at the 200-day moving average, and then we would be looking for a bounce from here. Okay, so we would be looking for a bounce from here. Either that bounce will be a sustained move to the upside, or we will end up losing this 200-day moving average and then coming down to sweep this low, these lows over here. Okay, so like I said in yesterday's video, the macro target, we would be targeting the 61.8% fib on the linear scale. And now the weekly candle, it closes in about 1 hour and 15 minutes. So depending on how this weekly candle closes, it will be we can take it from there. But so far, this is a bearish shooting star, and we went ahead and swept these monthly highs over here. Okay, so now this is the weekly time frame. You can take a look at it like this, and then I also have the hourly perspective as well. So I'm going to show you the wave count going all the way back to August 5th. Do you guys see this? Right? You have a 3-wave move up, a 3-wave move down, and then a 5-wave move to the upside here, right? Notice how the waves are overlapping here within this wedge. So this would be your A wave, your B wave, and then you come up for a C wave. And then after this fifth wave comes in, we have an overthrow of the wedge. Okay, you'll get these in highly over-leveraged markets. And now it looks like we're having an impulsive move to the downside, currently trading below the bottom boundary, below the bottom bounds of the wedge. So there is a possibility in London going into New York, we may see a little bit of a retracement up towards the fibs, right? Remember I showed you with this scenario where we come in to fill in that wick, but it's likely we would see a rejection off any of the fibs, so Bitcoin can have continuation down towards the 200. Okay, I do think that 200-day SMA does get backtested. Now, there is a possibility that we still have continuation up, right? These bearish scenarios can be invalidated. So what bulls would want to what bulls would want to see from here is a move above 72,134 and 71,640 on the 4-hour time frame. So if we go on the 4-hour right here, they would want to see a push above this region over here so we can confirm more upside. And then we can finally break this all-time high. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed the Bitcoin video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.